Welcome back to Best Academy TV. In this video, we're gonna focus on Uniport post Utme 2026 math questions. We are given a question here, and before we solve the question, let's read and understand the question perfectly to know what we are asked to calculate. Okay. Now this is the table given to us here. Okay, let's read the question here from the letters. They said the identity element with respect to the multiplication shown in the table above. So we are given a table and we're asked to find the identity elements in this particular table here. So we call this question binary operation. Now, when we are given a table under binary operation and we are asked to find the identity element, please take note, identity element, not inverse element. Okay, they are both different. Now, we are asked to find the identity element. The first thing to do here with our calculator, okay, I'm going to teach us the shortcut with that calculator. Okay, now the first thing to do here is to identify the row and the column. Now, what is row? Row is the lying part. That is, this part here is row. These are rows. Please take note. That is the horizontal parts. This part here are rows. Now, the next is to identify the column. What is column? The column is a vertical part. This part here are column. Okay. Now, we have known what row is. We have known what column is. So, the next here is the operator. Now, the operator is always located in this way here, this part here. This is the operator here. Okay, now let's know the letters for the operator. This operator here, how do we know the letters for operator? The letters under the operators are the letters assigned for the operators. Now, this letter, which is a P, Q, arrow, and S, are letters under the operators. Okay, let's just write them down. Solution first. So the letters under the operator, this operator here, this operator here, the letters under the operators are P, Q, arrow, and S. Please take note. So let's look into the table again without calculator. Okay, let's look into the table again. Now, check any of the row along the operator. Let's check any of the row along the operator and identify the letters with the same row. Now, this is the operator here. Let's check any of the letter. Now, P does not have the same row with the operator. Q does not have the same row with the operator. Arrow does not have the same row with the operator. Let's go to S. S has the same row with the operator. This is S here. What is the row for S? Is P, S, arrow, and Q. So the identity operator here is S. The identity operator here is S. Very simple here. So our answer here is S, is identity operator. Okay. So it means that S is identical to the operator. So it means that S is the identical to the operator. Okay. So let's solve the next question here. We are given question 2 here under identity of binary operation. Okay, you can pause the video and solve this to verify if you understood last video. Okay, now let's solve this without calculator again. Okay, now after this I can now use manual method, that is the procedure. So we are given binary operator and we are asked to find the identity of this binary operator. So it's very simple here. The first step here is to identify the operator. So this is the operator here, class. Now what is the number below the operator? The numbers are 1, 2, 3. So my intention here is to identify um the row under the operator that is having the same identical number with the operator. Very simple. So from the operator here, the rows are this. Now what are the number under one is 2, 3, 1. So it's not identical to the operator, the numbers under the operators. Now let's go to the next number here along the operator is 2. Now what are the numbers under 2? 3, 1, 2. So it's not identical to this. Now the next is under the operator is 3. What are the numbers under 3 is 1, 2, 3. So 3 is identical to this operator here. Very simple. Okay. Now you don't need to solve or stress yourself here. It's just very simple. And I'll be showing us some shortcut on how to solve me questions. All you have to do is to hit the subscribe button and then share with your friends. Okay.